Did you know every minute over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube? In that ocean of content, how does one stand out? It's like being a small fish in an enormous teeming sea, isn't it? But every sea has its currents, and knowing how to ride them is the key. What if you could navigate these currents to your advantage? Imagine attracting 1,000 subscribers in less than 30 days. Can it be done? Absolutely, and we'll show you how. Consistency, the secret weapon of every successful YouTuber. It's the golden thread that weaves through the tapestry of every thriving channel. But why is it so important? The answer is simple. It keeps your audience engaged, and more importantly, it keeps them coming back for more. Just imagine, you've stumbled upon a channel with fascinating content. You're eager for more, but alas, there's nothing new. You wait, you check again, but nothing. Eventually, you lose interest and move on. That's precisely what you want to avoid. So how can you maintain consistency? Planning, my friends, is the key. Plan your content in advance. Know what you're going to post and when. Set a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or every other day, make a commitment and honor it. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It's about showing up every day for your audience. Engagement isn't just about viewing. It's the secret sauce that turns viewers into subscribers. You see, the real power of YouTube lies not just in the number of eyeballs that watch your videos, but in the connections you make with those viewers. How do you do that? Start by fostering a dialogue. Respond to comments on your videos. Not just a cursory thanks, but genuine, thoughtful replies. This shows your viewers that you value their input and are willing to engage in meaningful conversations. Pose questions in your videos and encourage your viewers to answer in the comments section. This not only encourages interaction, but also gives you valuable insight into your audience's interests and preferences. Make use of the community tab. Share behind-the-scenes content, polls or teasers for upcoming videos. This makes your viewers feel like part of an exclusive club. And who doesn't like to feel special? Engagement isn't a one-way street. It's a dialogue that fosters a community around your content. Now you have the secrets, it's time to take action. Remember, achieving 1,000 subscribers in less than 30 days is a feat within your reach. Apply these tips diligently on your channel. Consistency, engaging content, and interaction are your keys to growth. But don't just keep this knowledge to yourself. Let's help others kickstart their YouTube journey. Start today, and in less than 30 days, you could be celebrating your first 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe, like, comment, and share so others can begin their YouTube journey too.